Good morning, everyone. We are present for a new video, this time inspired by a comment that I received directly on our YouTube channel. We were inquired about the method of cleaning in tubular heat exchangers and how it is carried out. The tubular heat exchangers can be of different types. Let's say that the two main types are the ones with a bundle, namely the U-tube bundle heat exchangers and the straight tube brushable ones. There is a significant constructive distinction that I explained in a video and in several posts consistently on this blog. Let's say that a straight tube heat exchanger with cleanable tubes is usually used by passing the dirty fluid inside the tubes while the clean fluid is passed through the shell. This is due to the fact that typically the mantle is not removable, so only the pipes have the ability to be cleaned. How to clean them? Use wash or remove two heads and employ pipe cleaners. Insert these pipe cleaners into tubes for internal mechanical cleaning of the tubes. Pipe cleaners are passed inside tubes for cleaning. Rather simple operation, although it depends a lot on the length of the pipe bundle, because clearly if the pipe bundle is very long, we need a contiguous space from which to enter the toothbrush, the brush, to be able to go and clean the entire pipe. Obviously, if the pipe is very long, it becomes complicated to go and do a proper cleaning in the central point of the pipe. But let's say it's a feasible and fairly simple operation. In removable tube bundle heat exchangers, the washable part is the shell. That is, the tube bundle can be extracted and the exterior of the tubes can be cleaned with a pressure washer or brushes. Not a very simple operation, because between one pipe and another it clearly becomes difficult to be able to enter and do a thorough cleaning. Why is it not possible to wash inside the pipes? Why do pipes have a U-shaped curve at the bottom? So we say that that part wouldn't get cleaned. Clearly, a chemical wash can be performed using aggressive chemicals, chemical products, and detergents to clean the interior of the pipes. However, if the dirt has completely blocked the heat exchanger, it becomes impossible to carry out the cleaning process. Operations usually done for cleaning heat exchangers. If interested, we can further develop the topic. Good day and thank you.